everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Ocean County, New Jersey, Point Pleasant Beach to be exact. That's the Manasquan Inlet behind me. That's Manasquan across the inlet. And this is part of a summer series I'm doing here on the New York channel, the Jersey Shore towns. And well, we're starting off here in Point Pleasant Beach today on the northern end of the boardwalk. It's the quiet end of the boardwalk. As we walk further south, we're going to get busier and busier. Lots of kids. This place is packed today. You won't notice it here on the northern end of the boardwalk, but it is very busy. So let's start our walk here from the northern end of the Point Pleasant Beach boardwalk and see what's going on down there. Down there. Shall we? Point Pleasant Beach is known for being a family resort destination here on the Jersey Shore. Lots of stuff for the little kiddies, lots of stuff for the big adults, and you just feel safe walking around in this town, along the beach, downtown, pretty much everywhere you go. So for the next mile as I walk south, it's pretty much all little beach bungalows. They've been here forever, much longer than I've been around. And I remember coming here as a kid, and not much has changed as far as these bungalows are concerned. They survived lots of storms, and so have I. So there's that. But it's about a mile until we get to the Jenkinson's area of the boardwalk, or the busy area of the Jenkinson's boardwalk. So I'll just show you a couple of these bungalows as I go along. These bungalows rarely go up for sale like the one behind me, because they just generate tons of money for the owners as far as rentals are concerned every year. So usually when one goes up for sale, it's well over $1 million, and they're not for sale that long. They get gobbled up pretty quickly. Back when I was a child, this house behind me, we used to call it the Frank Sinatra house. No matter what time of the year you were here walking on the boardwalk, whether it was during the season or in the middle of winter, even in inclement weather, there would be Frank Sinatra music playing on the porch. Now, I remember this as a kid, so I'm sure the owner has moved on to that great Frank Sinatra venue in the sky, and I like to think that he's entertaining her every night now. As we walk further south, the boardwalk's going to get busier and busier, especially with families. We'll check out all the shops and the rides and the restaurants and everything along the boardwalk. Snow shovels are used all year long here at the Jersey Shore. I was just talking to a couple who said that these houses rarely go on the market. Usually they're just inherited. Back when I was a kid, this Jenkinson's aquarium was like $5 to get in. Now it's like packages, and they're $30, $35, $40. I'm such an old man. That's right, on July 18th, you could have watched Jaws right here on the Point Pleasant beach. This is Frankie the Flip Flop. He follows me around all my Jersey Shore videos. Sometimes he's elusive, sometimes he's very easy to find. Spot him in this video, note the time you spotted him in the comments below, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This is Martel's Tiki Bar. Back in the day, me and some friends used to come here every Saturday or Sunday and just get a table and eat peel and eat shrimp and beers and Bloody Marys pretty much all day long. Good music, good food. This is Joey Tomatoes, or if you're from around here, it's just Joey Tomatoes. I stop in here for 2 gourmet slices for the new channel, Jersey Jeff Eats. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll leave a link in the upper right-hand corner and a link in the description as well. Lots of food videos coming on that brand new channel. I'll start uploading videos in about 2 weeks, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that food. Behind me is a satellite police station for the Point Pleasant Beach Police Department. The place is very safe. Security is tight here. They really do cater to families, and they keep things pretty much under control here. Most of these arcades are open year-round. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, hit that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Just a quick story to share with you guys. I just came out of a gift shop. There was an elderly couple in there, had to be in their 90s. I guess they're shopping for their, I was gonna say grandchild, but more like a great-grandchild. And she approaches him and says, I wanna buy this dolphin for this child. And the elderly gentleman said it's a crab, but not a dolphin. And then the employee came along and said, it's a shark. So who knows what that was, but it was $20, they put it back. There's only 1 or 2 thrill rides here in Point Pleasant Beach. I think they do that for a reason, to keep the crowd a certain family-oriented crowd. So lots of kiddie rides, 1 or 2 rides for the teenagers, but other than that, no thrill rides here on Point Pleasant Beach. hope you enjoyed our walk on the Point Pleasant Beach Boardwalk today. I know I did. I hope you did as well. More coming from the Jersey Shore on the New York channel, so stay tuned for the series to continue.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.